Hello everyone, today we are going to talking about how to find the area of polygon. Okay, so before starting this topic, we should know some formulas of areas of some geometrical figure, such as if this is a square and each side is A, then its area is a square, right? Okay, and now this is a rectangle with length A and breadth B, then area is A cross B. Okay, next, if I have this triangle and I know the base is A and height is H, then area is half into base into height, like this, height into base, half into height into base. Okay, now this is a trapezium, is a special kind of quadrilateral, and these two sides are parallel, and this is the perpendicular distance between the parallel sides. Okay, or it is also called the length trapezium. Okay, so area is half into sum of length of parallel sides multiplied by distance between them, that means the length. Okay, another thing is this is a circle, okay, with center O and radius R, then area is pi r square, and this is a semicircle. This is the center O, and here it is the radius R, so the area is half pi r square. Got it? Now if I have a figure like this, so how can you find the area of this total figure? So you can see here, this is a semicircle, here it is, and here you can see also this is a rectangle, right? So if you have the all the measures you required, like length, base or radius, then you can find the area of this, and then you can also area of this, you can also find the area of this. Then if you add them, then the required total area will be determined. Okay, now another topic is, if I have a figure like this, okay, so how can you find the total area? So you may also notice that this portion is a trapezium. Okay, and this portion is triangle. So if you have the required all the measures as required, so you can also find the area of the small parts. Okay, and then if you add the all the areas, then you can determine the total whole area of the total figure. Okay, so this is how it works. Now here it is a problem. So my main motive is, if you want to find out the area of a polygon, So you have to split the figure into your well-known geometrical figures, as it may be rectangle, as it may be trapezium, as it may be triangle also, it may be square also, it may be semicircular, circular also, and then you can easily find out the figure using the previous formulas. Okay, so here this is the given figure and all the measures are given, and we have to find the area of total polygon. Okay, so here you can see this part is a trapezium, right? As this part and this part are parallel. Here it is another trapezium as well. This, these are this. Okay, and here you can see the another parallel sides. Got it? And now you can find also these triangles. Here it is one triangle. Here it is another triangle. Okay. Here it is another triangle. As you can see. Right? Here it is another triangle. Yeah. So if you can find the area of all the splitted parts and then join them, I mean to say, if you add all the areas, then you can determine the total whole area of the polygon, given polygon. Okay. Now my information is here that, okay, I am removing this. Here it is given that AD is 9 cm. AD means this total length. Okay. And my AG is 2 cm. Here it is AG. So this is 2. Okay. That means this part to this part. This is 2. So this is the base of this triangle AFG. And here it is the height of the base. Yes. Here it is. This is the height of this triangle. Here you can see FG. So if you have the height and base, then you can easily find the area of this portion. The area is, that must be half into AG into FG, right? That means half into 2 into 2.5. That is 2.5 semi square. Okay. Now here it is a trapezium. So I have to find the distance between the parallel sides. Here are the parallel sides, where you can see this part and this part are parallel. So that means FG and EI both are parallel, and FG length is 2.5 semi and EI is 3 semi. But I have to know the distance between them. That means GI here. Okay. So AI is given. AI means from this point A to this point I. Okay. And I have also known that AG is 2 semi. Yeah. So if we subtract the AG from AI, so we can easily find the GI. That means GI is AI minus AG. Okay. So the total AI length is here 6 semi and AG is given here 2. So that means GI is 4. So this part is 4. Okay, got it. Now this is trapezium, so we have to use the formula of area of trapezium here. So that is half into sum of the parallel sides. Yeah, that means 2.5 plus 3. So 2.5 plus 3 into distance between them, that is 4 here. Okay. So here it is 2, 4 cancel out. That is 2. And here it is 5.5 into 2. That must be 11. So this is 11 semi-square. Okay. Now this part. This is a triangle. So we have to know the base of this triangle, that is di. Okay. No, there is no di between them. So if I okay, total length AD is given here. So here you can see the total length AD is this, right? And if we subtract AI from this total length, this is my A part, this is my I part. So if we subtract this part, here you can see. So I can easily find the distance di. So di means AD minus AI. So AD is here 9 semi and AI is here 6. So this is 3 semi. Okay. So this base is 3 semi. This height is 3. So the area is half into height into base. That means 4.5. Right. Next part is this one. Okay. So I have to know the length of this base. That means AH. Here the base is of the triangle. The base of the triangle is AH. The base of the triangle ABH is AH. So I have to know the length of AH. Here you can see AH is given. That is 4. Okay. I'm writing it here. This is 4. So this distance is 4. This height is also given is 2.5. So my area is half into 4 into 2.5. That is 5 semi square. Okay. This is semi square also. Yeah. All done. Next. K, I, J, A, J is given and AH is also. Okay. Next part is this trapezium. So here you can see this BH and JC are parallel sides of this trapezium. So we have to know the length between these parallel sides. That means this point H to this point J. That means JH. So how to find JH? My AJ is given here. Here you can see this is my AJ. Here it is from A point to J point. So if I subtract the AH from AJ, so we can easily find JH. So JH is AJ minus AH. Okay. So here AJ is given, that is 7, and AH is here 4. That means 3. So this distance is 3. Okay. So I have to find the area of this trapezium. Okay. So here it is half into sum of the parallel sides, that means 2.5 and 2. 2.5 plus 2 into the distance between them, that is 3. Right. So this is 4.5 into 3. Okay, 6.75 semi square here. Now I have to find the area of this triangle. So here we need to find the base, that is JD. Okay, we need to find the distance JD. Okay, if my JD is given or no. Okay, AJ is given. Okay. So if we subtract the AJ means this part from A point to J point. Here A point and here it is J point. So if we subtract the AJ from the total length AD, so we can easily obtain the JD distance. That means here I am writing JD is AD minus AJ. So AD is what? AD is 9 and AJ is here 7. That means 2. So here this is the base, that is 2. This is the height, that is 2 also given here. So area is half into 2 into 2, that means 2 semi square. Now I have to sum all the areas I have determined here. Here you can see this. This is also. So total area 2.5 plus area of this, that is 11. Okay. Area of this, that is 4.5. Okay, area of this, that is 5. Okay, area of this 6.75, and last one, this triangle, that is 2. So this plus this is 7. 7 plus 11, 18. 18 plus 2, 20, 25. 25 plus 6.75, that is 31.75 centi square. So this is the total area of this given polygon. Now you have to find the area of this octagon, and this is regular octagon. Regular octagons means all the sides are same length. That means if I name it like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So here I can see one side is 8 meter. So then the other side, all the sides are also 8. Okay. Here you can see that C and H are joined here and make a ABCH a trapezium here. So we can also join this G and D and make another trapezium also here, like this. This is my trapezium. Here you can see. Okay. So as this is a regular octagon, so these two trapeziums are symmetry. These two trapeziums are symmetry. So that means this length also 6 meter. Okay. So here it is. It is a rectangle. It is a trapezium and it is another trapezium. Same trapezium. So I have to find this area. That means half into. This is the parallel sides here. Parallel side is 15 and 8. So 15 plus 8 and distance between them is 6 into 6. So this is 23 into 3. 69. So here it is also 69. Okay, meter square, of course. Here I can see this is a rectangle with length is 15 meter and breadth is 8. So area is 15 into 8, 120. Okay. So total area +69 plus 120 plus another 69, that is 138 plus 120, 258 meters square. This is the required area. Okay. Okay. Here it is another problem. We have to find the area of this pentagon. Pentagon means this portion. Okay. This shaded portion. We have to find this. So if we subtract this area from this total rectangle area, so we can easily find this portion. Okay. So if we subtract this triangular area from this rectangular area, so we can easily find out the shaded portion. Okay. So for this, we have to need to find the base of this triangle, that is BE. So this is my hypotenuse, this is my length.
So BE equal to root over BC square minus E square. That means root over 10 square minus 8 square equal to 6.
So this length is 6. So area of this triangle is half into 6 into 8, that is 24 semi square. And area of total rectangle is, this is 10 and this is 18. So 18 into 10. As you can see, the length is 18 here and this is the breadth is 10. So 180 semi square. Now, if we subtract the area of triangle from this area of this rectangle, so you can easily also find the area of the pentagon. Okay. So my required area is 180 minus 24, 6, 156. 6. Here it is. That's okay. Now this is your task. Thank you so much.